In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up auto-replies for common support questions. This is perfect if you're looking to save time and keep your customers happy while providing quick, automated responses to frequently asked questions. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a free trial to a software that's perfect for this task, available exclusively for viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why you'd want to set up auto-replies in the first place. Auto-replies save you valuable time by automatically handling questions that pop up repeatedly, especially if you get a lot of support inquiries. This way, you can focus on the more complex issues, while the basic ones get sorted out instantly. To start, choose a software that allows you to create auto-replies. In this tutorial, we'll be using a tool that has been tested and optimized for efficiency, and it's available through the exclusive free trial link in the description. You can follow along with that if you want. Now, let's move into setting up the auto-replies. First, open your software and go to the Settings or Preferences area where you can configure your support features. You're looking for an option like auto-reply or automation in the main menu. Once you've found it, you'll want to create a new auto-reply rule. You'll usually be asked to name your rule. Choose something clear like general inquiries or shipping questions so you know exactly what it's for when you look at it later. Next, you'll need to set up the trigger. This is what will cause the auto-reply to be sent. You can choose from several triggers like when someone submits a contact form, sends an email, or leaves a message through live chat. Select the trigger that fits the common support question you're answering. Now, let's write the response. Your message should be short, polite, and helpful. For example, if you're answering questions about shipping times, you might say, "Thanks for reaching out. Our standard shipping time is 3 to 5 business days. For any urgent needs, please feel free to contact us directly." Keep it friendly and informative. The goal is to make sure your customers feel heard, even if you're not there immediately. After setting up the response, you'll have the option to customize it further. You can add dynamic fields to make your message more personalized, like using the customer's name or referring to their specific inquiry. This makes the auto-reply feel less robotic and more tailored to the person reaching out. Once you've written the message, save the rule and test it out. Send a test message to see if your auto-reply works as expected. If everything looks good, you're done. Remember, auto-replies aren't just about saving time. They also help set expectations with customers and give them an immediate sense of satisfaction. Plus, they ensure that common questions are always answered quickly, which can increase your customer satisfaction. Here's your key takeaway. Setting up auto-replies for common support questions is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your customer service. By automating responses to frequently asked questions, you're saving time for yourself and offering quick help to your customers. To recap, choose your software, create your auto-reply rule, set the right triggers, write clear responses, and test it out. It's that simple. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we're using today, linked in the description below. Trust me, it's a game changer for automating your support process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.